Alright, I am going to show you how to compare two videos side by side recorded from PDR. So first thing we want to do is on the task window, right click, add task. From here, right click again, add outing. I'm going to choose a video, select it, OK. And then I'm going to choose a video that I want to compare to by adding outing again and choosing another PDR file. Now it's important to note that when we sync the videos together, we have to make the video with the shortest time, the datum or the base video. This is going to be common if you were trying to compare autocross video or autocross data, since you have to manually start and stop the PDR. So this file is about a minute in length, and then the first one opened is about a minute 41 seconds. So we will have to make this green one here, I will label as driver 2, the datum. And this is done simply by right clicking on the file and selecting make datum. We will label this as driver 1. Okay, so the next step is to click on insert, display media, and we will do that again. Okay, so click on the media leftmost media window, scroll over to video, and the video pops up. Now, to get the other video, and again this is the datum file, the reference file, so click on the right media window, come over to driver 1, right click, and hit connect. And go back, select the media, right media window again, double click video, and now we have both of the videos we want to compare data against. However, you'll notice they are not synced up. So left video is playing, autocross run is underway, still stationary, and the right video. This requires us to use the offset time function to sync the videos up, and the easiest way to do that is to plot an XY graph of elapsed time versus speed. So we'll go to insert worksheet, display XY. Under selection of available channels, we will choose elapsed time for the x-axis, and then speed will be the y-axis. And you can see that it's indicated down here under the filter channel. Alright, get rid of the curve fit. Okay. So if you place the cursor where you start seeing an increase in speed, it's about 8.8 seconds for the green. And this green chart again refers back to our datum file. So in the datum file, the car begins moving at roughly 8.8 seconds. If we switch to the other video file, which you use the up or down arrow on your keyboard to toggle between them, and you can tell that we have switched over to the secondary driver 1 video, as indicated by the red axis. It looks like the car starts moving at about approximately 3.18 seconds. So for simplicity's sake, we'll just call that 21 seconds. So now to get the videos to sync up, we'll go back to sheet 1 where our videos are located. And for the second video, since the the car is moving after, timestamp wise, the time delta, after the first car starts moving, the green line here, we have to use a time offset. And we do that by selecting the outing for driver 1, scrolling down to time offset. We'll put in negative 21. And now when we start the video over again, the videos should be synced up. And there we have it. That is how you synchronize videos of PDR data in Cosworth Pi Toolbox.